I'm Kendra Kirby. I'm the vocal director of 146th Campus. And Merge students, this is specifically for you. I wanted to invite you to the Grace Worship Choir. Now that your evenings have shifted from Wednesday to Sunday, Merge has moved to Sunday, we have the opportunity to come and check us out. If you enjoy singing or worshiping or being in God's presence, the Grace Worship Choir is a perfect opportunity for you. I call us the one-stop shopping center. You get a little bit of Bible study, a little bit of community group, and a little bit of serving our body in the community of Grace Church. And so check us out. We meet, check out our calendar, but sometimes we meet at Fishers, sometimes we meet at both locations, 146 and Fishers. And we meet most Wednesdays from 6:45 to 8:30. There's a place for you. Come and check us out. Thanks.